Building interactive tools that feel natural is hard, especially when you need to guide users through multiple steps without overwhelming them upfront. You'll see how to chain together sequential prompts in FastMCP, collecting a meeting title, duration, and urgency level step by step, while gracefully handling cancellations at any point. The pattern keeps the flow clean, type-safe, and user-friendly.
At MCP, tool. Async Def Plan Meeting, CTX, Context, SDR. Plan a meeting by gathering details step by step. Hash get meeting title. Title result equals await CTX. Elicit, what's the meeting title? Response type equals SDR. If title result, action equals accept. Return, meeting planning canceled. Hash get duration. Duration result equals await CTX. Elicit, duration in minutes. Response type equals int. If duration result action equals accept. Return, meeting planning canceled. Hash get priority. Priority result equals await CTX. Elicit, is this urgent? Response type equals literal yes, no. If priority result action equals accept. Return, meeting planning canceled. Urgent equals priority result data equals yes. Return F meeting, title result data, planned for duration result data minutes urgent.
This demonstrates progressive user elicitation, a pattern for interactive data collection where tools gather information step by step through user prompts. Unlike traditional form-based input, this approach adapts dynamically to user responses, allowing for conditional logic and early termination. The distinctive feature is its conversational flow, where each prompt builds on previous answers while maintaining the ability to cancel at any point. The pattern works by treating user interaction as an asynchronous dialogue, where each elicitation call pauses execution until the user responds. The framework handles response validation and type coercion automatically, converting raw input into structured data while your code remains focused on the business logic. This separation of concerns keeps the interaction layer clean and the core logic free from UI-specific handling. This approach solves the problem of rigid input requirements in automated systems, making tools more flexible and user-friendly. It's particularly valuable for complex workflows where not all parameters are known upfront or where user confirmation is required. The trade-off is increased latency from multiple round trips, but the benefit is a more natural, adaptive user experience that mirrors human conversation patterns. Let's break it down.
At MCP, tool. Async Def Plan Meeting, CTX, Context, SDR. Plan a meeting by gathering details step by step.
This defines an AI callable tool using FastMCP's decorator pattern. The function becomes an interactive workflow that gathers meeting details step by step, while the docstring automatically generates its schema for AI models. All FastMCP tools must accept the context parameter for progress tracking and cancellation handling.
Title result equals await CTX. Elicit, what's the meeting title? Response type equals SDR. If title result, action equals accept.
This uses FastMCP's elicit pattern to prompt for user input asynchronously. The response type equals SDR enforces string validation, while the action check handles cancellation. If the user rejects the prompt, the function exits early to prevent partial state.
Duration result equals await CTX. Elicit, duration in minutes. Response type equals int. If duration result action equals accept.
This collects the meeting duration using CTX. Elicit, enforcing integer input via response type equals int. The subsequent check for action equals accept handles user cancellation, aborting the workflow if the user rejects the prompt. This is the standard FastMCP pattern for step-by-step user interaction with validation.
Priority result equals await CTX. Elicit. Is this urgent?
This prompts the user for urgency classification using a constrained response type. The question, "Is this urgent?" forces a binary choice, which the next line will validate against the literal yes, no type constraint to ensure clean Boolean conversion.
Urgent equals priority result data equals. Yes. Return F meeting. Title result data. Planned for duration result data minutes urgent. Urgent.
This converts the user's priority response into a Boolean flag and formats the collected meeting details into a confirmation string. The pattern handles the final step of multi-step workflows, aggregating inputs into a structured output while maintaining clear user feedback. Multi-turn elicitation pattern. This example demonstrates FastMCP's progressive disclosure capability, where tools gather information through sequential client interactions while maintaining clean cancellation paths. Each elicit call must check the action field before proceeding, as rejected or canceled responses terminate the workflow immediately. The pattern transforms linear code into interactive conversations without sacrificing error handling clarity.
The question that never hears an answer still completes the conversation.